If you handle items or cargo with expiration dates or lot numbers, watch this video to see how to define them and work with them. Hi, I'm George from Magaya. First, we'll define the items, also called commodities or part numbers. Second, we'll receive some items and add their expiration dates. Third, we'll ship them. Let's get started. When defining items, the software gives you options to choose from based on your operations. Go to the Inventory Items Definitions list. Click Add to find the one you need. Add an inventory item, which is not for resale. This option is often used by freight forwarders, 3PLs, or other logistics providers who don't handle the accounting of the items. Add a resale inventory item. This option is often used by wholesalers who buy and sell items and need to manage the accounting of these assets. Magaya helps you do both. For this video, we'll look at a resale item. The screen has fields for the description, your purchase price, resale price, and more. The inventory type field has options that work with expiration dates. When you assign one of these options to this inventory item, the system will require an expiration date to be entered when receiving this item. For example, the third option is FIFO, which means first expiring, first out. Let's say some of these items arrived on Monday and more on Tuesday. The expiration date was entered for each. The items from Monday will expire before the items received on Tuesday. Based on this inventory type setting and the expiration dates, when you ship out the items, you need to ship the Monday items before the Tuesday items. That's FIFO. Next, we'll see it in action. Look at the options in the menu to choose the one that applies for the item you're defining. Did you know you can change the inventory type for an existing item and not just set it for new items? Open an item. Go to the Accounting tab, select the inventory type, and any other details that apply, and click OK to save. Now that we defined an item, next we'll receive some items and add their expiration dates. Let's receive a perishable item that you just defined and add an expiration date. In the Warehouse Receipt, go to the Commodities tab. Click in the Part Number field and select the item you defined. Fill in the other details such as package type, a cold storage location, and more. Go to the Identification tab. Enter a lot number if needed. This is useful since lot numbers help you identify a batch of items and are often tied directly to their expiration dates. Click the calendar to set the expiration date. You can also set the numbers of days that your system will allow the item to be released before expiring. Finish any other details needed on the transaction and click OK to save. Before we release items, let's look at the lists of items in your system so you know how to find items quickly. To see your perishable items received, go to the Commodity list. You can see all the expiration dates for items by clicking Actions and selecting Choose Columns. Then, checkmark Expiration Date and Expired and save. Okay. You can also add the column for lot number to help you identify a batch of items and their expiration dates. As with other lists, you can sort your list by clicking the headers such as Description, Package, and more. You can highlight any item in your list and click the Details button to see additional details for that item. You can save this view by clicking this option here, name this view, and save it. Then you can select the list view anytime from here. You can also use the Find button to search for items. Next, let's ship out the perishable items. Now, let's release items by creating a cargo release. We'll see how the system can display the items based on configuration options and based on inventory type. Go to Cargo Releases and click Add. Fill in any general and carrier information for your cargo release. Now it's time to select the cargo you want to release. To see the expiration dates for the items, click the Configure button and select Choose Items Columns. Check Expiration Date and click OK to save the column setting and return to the cargo release screen. Click the Warehouse tab and expand the transaction with the perishable items you received earlier. Here are the expiration dates for the items. The item that will expire first is at the top. That's FIFO in action. Imagine you have a long list of items with different expiration dates. FIFO will sort them to show the items that will expire first at the top, making it easier to select and ship. Finish your cargo release. Did you know you can configure your system to prevent expired items or items about to expire from appearing in the list for release? This avoids seeing or selecting items that will expire in transit. To set that option, go to Maintenance, Configuration, and WMS. Under Outgoing Operations, checkmark this option: Do not allow to load items that are expired or about to expire. If you're a wholesaler who buys and owns the items, you can generate the accounting transactions by editing a cargo release. If you purchase the items and have the PO in your Magaya system, the items are part of your inventory assets. Then you can create the warehouse receipt, sales order, or other transaction from the PO. Items in sales orders are allocated based on your sales order configuration. Then you can release items sold by creating a cargo release or a shipment. The inventory types such as FIFO work the same way in shipments. In Magaya, you can also see reports of all your sales and purchases. Magaya has the tools to keep you on top of your inventory and handle expiration dates. See our other videos and the knowledge base for more on automating tasks in your warehouse. Thanks for watching.